again with Ghostly Velvet. So, you see recently in that last vlog, we did the solar CD card. And the Boroyat, you skipped this one. So, and remember it's a 6-in-1 toy. So, you see all those ones which I was making, I'm using the same parts. It's mind blown, right? Yeah, mind blown. Okay, but don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bells, and leave a like on this video. Okay, let's try and hit 5,000 subscribers and 20 likes. Not 20 likes. 5,000 likes. So let's get to the vid. Okay, but you only need is a Coca-Cola can, then the rest will come. Okay. So let's go to the first page, the very tippity top page. Okay, tippity top page. Okay, first we take these ones. Yep, B2, and B3, and also B4 and B9. Okay, so you check here, check. You take this one. This one is the one which we're looking for, guys. Then you wait where you are. There. Yes, there. I've got it. Get inside. Get inside. Why aren't you getting inside? Get inside. Wait. So you do this. We have figured it out. Goes to Bell team. Okay? And then the next thing we need is, now let's go to the next page. That's what's next. You get it? Probably not. It's fine. Okay. You take this. It doesn't come assembled like how I assembled it like this. So it was out. There were two of these pieces. So you have to connect them together. So you take this, then you put it inside. This one must be at the top, the tippity top. This thing must be facing up. Then you take the other one. See, it's facing up. The other one must face down. You see? You see it, right? Yeah, so good. Then, what do you do next? You take this. Then, you take this. You put this, look. You take it like this. You connect there. You do, Oh, sorry guys. You aren't supposed to put it full in. Supposed to put it halfway, like, not fully in. Halfway like this. Okay. Then you connect like that. A little bit more far. A little bit. Just a teeny weeny bit far. Then you connect. Perfectiale. Voila. Wait. Yep. We did it correct. You take, it comes with the mini rubber bands. You don't have to buy any rubber bands. It also comes with this big rubber band. So you take this rubber band, put it right here. Look. Oh, sorry guys. You can't see. Okay. Like there, right there. See in this line. Don't put it at top here. We will need this part. Then you do this, same thing here. This one doesn't have what's this, like what it has here. It's different, but perfectly aligned. Yeah, perfectly. But you have to hit that subscribe button and the like for the other Johnny to come back. You know him. Yeah, the other. Not that, not Andy. Okay. Yo. 1, 2, 3, yo. 1, 2, 3, yo. 1, 2, 3, yo. It's your boy Gamer goes to Bellbout, yo. Look, right there, like what we did with the other side. Then we put it right there. Then we do the same thing with that one. Perfect, yale! Yay! Everybody clap their hands. Okay, so it comes with 2 rubber bands. You need 2 rubber bands. Put the rubber band there. Then we put the can right in here. In here. You see? Yeah. It's standing. It's not yet standing. Because we haven't put the leggy heavies. Okay, now what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? Okay, now we take these eyeballs. You remember on the other solar toy, we had to put them on the soil. Now we have to put them right here. Look, put them on the rubber band, just like this. Hey, oi. Then we have to put the other one here. Yeah. It's not like we're gonna connect anything. So let's put him here. But though here it says we must put it here or here. But it doesn't look nice. So let's put it right next to the other eyeball to make him look like a real human. Yeah, a real human. Because it's not like we're gonna connect anything to the eyes. Okay, connect. Yay! We did it! Look, he looking eye, he looking body. Now, but whatever. Now we have to take this solar thing, turn the back of him, put this right there. Look, right there. Look, this thing has a little line here, which you have to put inside. Or maybe I'm supposed to put it there. Okay, let's check. Oh, I'm supposed to put it on top, on the other top line. See? Right there. Yeah. Now the next thing, we just have to connect the solar. But you have to connect the solar. Okay, so you have to connect it. Right now you're wondering why didn't I connect it at the first place? Because if you connected in the first place, it would have ended up like a disaster. A real disaster. Like an earthquake. Earthquakes. Then you put it just like this, right in there with the mama dummies. Yeah. Then you reconnect it again with this one. Again. Right there. Again. Then you connect on this other side. See? Yeah. It's pretty wobbly, but it will actually work. Wait. Wait, I put it the wrong way. Supposed to be like this. Like this. Means the green one is supposed to go here. Means the green one is supposed to go there. Then the white one goes into this one. Yeah. So I did it wrong. Yeah. You put it in right in there. We have done it. The working robot is almost complete. Now why do I keep on putting this at the wrong side? Yep. leggy spaghettis. The leggy spaghettis. So you put it right there. Then you take this, put it right over here. Wow. Why does it look like we put the motor on the wrong side? And why is it falling? Oh, these are used to balance it. Maybe we put the arms in. Arm in. One arm is in, Mayday. One arm is in. Stand. This is the finished thing. Thing is like thing. Okay, so this is the finished thing. Look at it. It's a beauty. So let's go outside and test it, because we better get quick, because the sun is running out. Come on, let's go. It does work, but there is not enough sun to make it work. Look, it just stops. Then when you lift it, it does. You put it down, it works for a little bit, then it goes and goes and stops a little, then it goes and 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 goes. Go, Tin Can. Look, he walking. Oh man.